What's up, YouTube? Big Z here.
Big Kai.
And today we are gonna eat some Korean food.
And then
God, we know this video. We saw this video. Oh, that's the move you need to learn. Do you see that crazy move jumping forward? Did you see that? Make sure you tie your shoelaces when you do that. See, like they're all military.
That's
like
BTS. That's BTS.
BTS? So I'm gonna go squid tofu with spicy octopus stone pot. Get stoned.
Stoned. Did I have the spice C4?
Spicy chicken?
Yes.
C4, that's gonna blow up, dude.
Spicy.
That looks good, that looks good. Get my salad. I don't know what that is.
What's this for?
For your rice.
Oh, okay.
What's this for? It's a bowl for your rice. I don't know.
Right.
And it came with the dipping sauce. I've never had that. I don't know what that is. Big mako. How'd you get a little piece? Oh,
I ripped it.
savage.
I always have to smell it.
Oh. They're delicious. That's the face you make for delicious.
I never had kimchi before, actually.
Really?
Never.
Stop being there. Stop. Eat that. All of it. It's so good. That's the face of delicious.
Ooh, hot. Oh my god. Man, it's hot.
Fury, dude.
You're supposed to be digging, right? Damn.
That's cooked.
Oh, that's for you, huh? No? Doesn't matter.
Why are you touching all the eggs, man?
It's all new. This is like all new for me.
Let it do its thing. I dare you to touch your pot. I would. Oh wow! Look at that. You get a picture of that. Dare you to touch that pot. Oh!
I like to. I got branded.
Oh man. That's hot, dude. That's hot as heck. Dude, really, like, just put your hand on it really quick. Like, look how hot that. That thing's super hot. I just breathed it in. It's spicy. Oh.
I actually got the multi-grain hot stove, huh?
Oh my goodness. I can't even approach this thing. It tastes pretty good though. It tastes pretty good though. It tastes very good, but it's very spicy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle this thing. What have I done to myself? I think it's delicious, but I'm burning myself, so I don't know. No, it tastes really good. Oh! Chicken.
I'm scared of this one. Why did I get spicy for it?
Because you're a man. This thing's ridiculously hot. Like temperature-wise, I can't even eat my food. I have to wait another 20 minutes to eat it. But it smells so good and looks so good that I'm not waiting.
I'm trying to eat the soup, but the soup is so hot too. Not hot in terms of spicy, just hot in general.
Just temperature hot? Oh man. I think the food's everything's supposed to be eaten hot because it's in like stone dishes and it keeps the heat. The trick is eating this hot food without burning yourself. I think that's the trick.
And I don't really eat octopus either.
Yeah, you don't. You just got rice. Get some of this octopus.
Hey, that?
Don't be an octopus.
That one? The fine?
It's onion.
Onion? Where's octopus? Right this, or I did this, I did. How's that?
You just make me proud, dude. Your big scoop. And eat it. It's delicious. What do you mean? That was a successful.
Oh yeah, it was really good. I'm gonna eat some more cream for myself actually. I never eat cream.
Welcome to the flavors of Korea.
We started off with the videos. The video land of Korea.
It started off with music,
Music,
and now we're in the food. And I want more of it.
Yeah, I love this soup. I love soup. I like soup in general. And
So the tofu soup was
really good.
delicious.
I had the pork dumpling tofu soup.
I had spicy and spicy and spicy.
Oh man.
And somewhere in there was some tofu, squid, and octopus.
If I since I love soup, I'll probably just get soup. That's all I need.
It's still kind of warm though. You feel that? All right, guys. We'll catch you next time we eat something delicious and spicy and or not.
Maybe try another Korean food.
But something else, yeah.
Another place.
We'll go try it. If you guys have anything we should eat,
Try.
don't
Be gentle with me.
let looks fool you. He doesn't eat any Asian food. I eat some, but I never had spicy octopus in a fire pot bowl. That was awesome. Yeah, tell us what else we should go eat. Let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you next time we